Where can I find my passport ID number?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle an important topic. Where can you find your passport ID number? This is crucial information, especially when you're filling out certain documents or forms that require this detail.
What is a passport ID number?
The passport ID number, also known as the passport number, is a unique identifier given to a passport by the issuing country. This number is a critical piece of information that validates your passport's authenticity and helps to prevent fraud.
Where is the passport ID number located?
Your passport ID number is typically located on the photo identification page of your passport. This is usually one of the first few pages in your passport book. It's a sequence of letters and numbers, though the length and composition can vary by country. For example, in a U.S. passport, the passport number is alphanumeric and has 9 characters.
How to identify the passport ID number?
Locate the page in your passport that has your picture and personal details. The passport ID number is usually towards the top right of the page. The passport number is not your personal ID number, which is a different set of numbers. The label next to the passport ID number should clearly state, passport no, passport number, P less than, or a similar indication depending on your country of issue. Thank you for joining us in this step-by-step guide on how to locate your passport ID number. Now, with this knowledge, you should be able to find your passport number easily whenever required. Remember, it's crucial to keep this information secure, as it's a key part of your personal identification. Stay safe and travel wisely.